let me tell you one thing. If your marketing strategy and the execution doesn't align with each other, then you are not just gonna waste your time, but also you're gonna burn your hard-earned money. In the last 10 years, I have had the privilege of working across a diverse range of niches, everything from real estate to health and wellness, law, travel, clothing, lifestyle, and even personal brands and pets. Each project has taught me one crucial lesson: success depends on the balance of strategies and executions. I'm Shakib. Since 2014, I have been helping businesses and personal brands grow online. With over 100 mind-blowing projects and more than 11,000 hours logged, I have earned the top-rated Plus badge here on Upwork, placing me in the top 1% of talent globally. But what does that mean for you? It means you are not just getting a freelancer, you are getting a partner dedicated to your success. I don't believe in false promises or one-size-fits-all solutions. My approach is grounded in proven strategies, realistic goals, and a deep understanding of your unique needs. When I take on a project, the first thing I do is dive deep. I analyze your project thoroughly, conduct a detailed competitor analysis, and uncover gaps and opportunities, and then tailor strategies that will drive real results for your business. And I don't stop there. I prioritize testing because the truth is, we never know which strategy will work the best until we see it in actions. Whether it's developing a tailored marketing strategy, crafting creative graphic designs, producing engaging video contents, or running impactful paid ad campaigns on Meta and Google, I bring a full suite of services to help your brand stand out and grow. I follow industry leaders like Alex Hormozi, Ali Abdal, and Tai Lopez, gurus who have taught me how to craft killer marketing strategies and fine-tune content that resonates emotionally and funnel audience segments to create real impact. Before diving into the world of marketing, I completed my bachelor's in electronics engineering, but my passion for understanding the why behind the business decisions led me to pursue an MBA from the #1 business school in our state. There, I mastered the fundamentals of marketing and learned how to apply them to real-world scenarios. I don't just bring experience, I bring results. So, if you're looking for a partner who not only understands the theory but also knows how to put it into practice, someone who has been there, done that, and continues to innovate, let's connect.